Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a topic that affects almost all of us at some point: body pain. Whether it's a nagging backache from sitting all day, sore muscles after a new workout, or just those unexplainable aches that pop up, pain can really throw a wrench in our lives. But the good news is, you don't always have to just tough it out. There are so many simple, effective, and natural ways to manage and relieve that discomfort. In this video, I'm going to share 10 of my favorite scientifically backed tips to help you feel better, move more freely, and get back to doing the things you love. So, if you're ready to say goodbye to pain, make sure you stick around. Let's start with something incredibly simple, but often overlooked: hydration. Did you know that your body is about 60% water? Your muscles, your joints, and even the discs in your spine need water to function properly. When you're dehydrated, your muscle tissue can become tight and more prone to cramping and soreness. The cartilage in your joints, which acts as a cushion, also loses some of its sponginess without enough water. Think of it like a car engine running without enough oil. Things just don't move as smoothly. So my first tip is to make a conscious effort to drink more water throughout the day. Don't wait until you're thirsty. That's actually a sign you're already dehydrated. Carry a water bottle with you, set reminders on your phone, or try infusing your water with lemon or mint to make it more appealing. You'd be surprised how much better you can feel just by staying properly hydrated. Next up, let's talk about movement. I know. When you're in pain, the last thing you want to do is move. It seems counterintuitive, right? But gentle, mindful movement is one of the best things you can do for most types of chronic pain, especially joint and back pain. This isn't about pushing through intense workouts. We're talking about low-impact activities like walking, swimming, or gentle yoga. Movement increases blood flow to your sore muscles and joints, delivering oxygen and nutrients that promote healing. It also helps to maintain flexibility and strength in the muscles surrounding your joints, which provides better support and reduces strain. The key is to listen to your body. Start slow, and if something hurts, ease off. A short 10-minute walk each day is a fantastic starting point. It gets the blood pumping and releases endorphins, which are your body's natural painkillers. Speaking of endorphins, let's move on to our third tip: harnessing the power of hot and cold therapy. This is a classic for a reason. It works. But it's important to know when to use which. As a general rule, use cold for new, acute injuries. Think of a sprained ankle or a muscle you just pulled. The cold, whether it's an ice pack or a bag of frozen peas wrapped in a towel, helps to constrict blood vessels. This reduces swelling, inflammation, and numbs the area, providing immediate relief. Apply it for about 15 to 20 minutes at a time. On the other hand, heat is your best friend for chronic muscular pain, stiffness, and aches that aren't accompanied by swelling. A warm bath, a heating pad, or a hot water bottle can work wonders. The heat increases blood flow, which helps to relax tight muscles and soothe soreness. It's incredibly comforting and can be a great way to wind down before bed, especially if pain is keeping you awake. Now, let's get into something that's a game changer for so many people: stretching. Our modern lifestyles often involve long periods of sitting at a desk, in a car, on the couch. This can lead to incredibly tight muscles, especially in our hips, hamstrings, and shoulders, which in turn contributes to back and neck pain. Incorporating a daily stretching routine can make a world of difference. You don't need to become a yoga master overnight. Just a few simple, targeted stretches for 5 to 10 minutes a day can dramatically improve your flexibility and relieve muscle tension. Focus on the areas that feel tight. For example, a gentle cat-cow stretch is amazing for your spine. A simple hamstring stretch while sitting on the floor can help alleviate lower back tightness. The goal is to gently lengthen the muscles, not to force anything. Hold each stretch for about 30 seconds and remember to breathe deeply. Tip number 5 is all about your sleep. Sleep is when your body does its most important repair work. It's when your muscles heal, your tissues are regenerated, and inflammation is reduced. If you're not getting enough quality sleep, your body doesn't have a chance to recover properly, which can make your pain feel so much worse. It can even lower your pain threshold, meaning you feel pain more intensely. So prioritize your sleep hygiene. This means creating a restful environment, a dark, quiet, and cool room. Try to stick to a consistent sleep schedule, even on weekends. Avoid screens like your phone or TV for at least an hour before bed, as the blue light can interfere with your sleep cycle. If pain is making it hard to get comfortable, experiment with pillows. A pillow between your knees can help align your hips and spine if you're a side sleeper, while a pillow under your knees can relieve pressure on your lower back. If you sleep on your back, let's move on to what you eat. Tip number 6 is to fight inflammation with your diet. Chronic inflammation is a key driver of many types of pain, including arthritis and general body aches. The good news is that you can combat this by eating more anti-inflammatory foods. Think of foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids, like salmon, walnuts, and flax seeds. Colorful fruits and vegetables are packed with antioxidants that fight inflammation, so load up on berries. Leafy greens like spinach and kale and broccoli. Spices like turmeric and ginger are also powerful natural anti-inflammatories. Try adding a little turmeric to your scrambled eggs, or sipping on some ginger tea. At the same time, try to reduce your intake of pro-inflammatory foods, like processed sugar, refined carbohydrates, and unhealthy fats found in many packaged and fast foods. It's not about a perfect diet, but about making small, consistent choices that support your body's ability to heal. Our 7th tip is something you can do right now, wherever you are. Check your posture. Poor posture is a major culprit behind neck, shoulder, and back pain. When you slouch, you put an enormous amount of strain on your spine, muscles, and ligaments. Think about it, your head is quite heavy, and when you let it drift forward to look at a screen, your neck and upper back muscles have to work overtime to hold it up. Over time, this leads to fatigue and chronic pain. The fix? Be mindful. Sit up straight with your shoulders relaxed and back. Your ears should be roughly aligned over your shoulders. If you work at a desk, make sure your monitor is at eye level and your chair provides good lumbar support. Set a timer to remind yourself to check your posture and take a short break to stand up and stretch every 30 minutes. These small adjustments can prevent a world of pain. Now for a tip that feels like a treat but is actually powerful therapy: magnesium. Magnesium is a vital mineral that plays a role in over 300 biochemical reactions in the body, including muscle and nerve function. It's often called nature's relaxant. A deficiency in magnesium can lead to muscle cramps, tightness, and soreness. You can increase your magnesium intake through your diet by eating things like almonds, spinach, black beans, and avocados. But another fantastic way to get its benefits, especially for muscle aches, is through an Epsom salt bath. Epsom salt is magnesium sulfate. When you dissolve it in a warm bath, your skin can absorb some of the magnesium, which helps to relax muscles and reduce pain. It's a wonderful 2-for-1. You get the benefits of both heat therapy and magnesium. It's the perfect way to end a long, achy day. Tip number 9 is to manage your stress. The connection between stress and physical pain is incredibly strong. When you're stressed, your body goes into a fight or flight mode. Your muscles tense up, your heart rate increases, and your body releases stress hormones like cortisol. If you're constantly stressed, your muscles never get a chance to relax, leading to chronic tension and pain in your neck, shoulders, and back. Furthermore, stress can amplify your perception of pain, making it feel more intense than it otherwise would. So, finding healthy ways to manage stress is crucial for pain relief. This could be anything that helps you relax. Deep breathing exercises, meditation, listening to music, spending time in nature, or engaging in a hobby you love. Even just 5 minutes of mindful breathing can signal to your nervous system that it's time to calm down, allowing your muscles to release that build-up tension. Finally, our 10th tip is to know when to seek professional help. While these self-care strategies are fantastic for managing common aches and pains, it's essential to recognize when your pain might be a sign of something more serious. If your pain is severe, if it came on suddenly after an injury, if it's accompanied by numbness, tingling, or weakness, or if it just isn't getting better with home care, it's time to see a professional. This could be your doctor, a physical therapist, a chiropractor, or a massage therapist. They can provide a proper diagnosis and create a targeted treatment plan for you. There is no shame in asking for help. It's the smartest and strongest thing you can do for your long-term health and well-being. Don't ignore your body's signals. So there you have it, 10 powerful tips to help you manage and relieve body pain. From staying hydrated and moving your body gently to managing stress and improving your diet. The key is to be proactive and consistent. Try incorporating 1 or 2 of these tips into your routine this week and see how you feel. Small changes really can add up to big relief. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more health and wellness content. And I'd love to hear from you in the comments. What are your go-to remedies for body aches and pains? Sharing our experiences can help us all. Thanks so much for watching. Take care of yourselves, and I'll see you in the next video.